All right, just got these guys on. 4.5 inch, no baffle, shark road. Got them all cleaned up, that way it doesn't stay once I turn it on. Really like that interior design right there. The chrome and black kind of matches the bike. Left side was super easy, and all the videos fast forward, so that's great. Right side, not super easy. That was super tight fit. Let's start it up. Super simple. Replace the bracket here, pull this out. Take these out, comes with washers for it, put that in. There's a bolt, obviously, then washer, then another washer, lock washer, some Loctite, and then you gotta unscrew that one, loosen it way up for the bracket right there. Make sure it's super loose because that one sucks, right side sucks. And then pull it back, pop that off, take a mallet, be able to put that one on, get it fitted on there, and then slide it back in. And then you got to measure basically to make sure they're even. Mine ended up being 33 1/4 for both sides.